HeyGen is one of the leading AI platforms for creating realistic AI avatars. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a talking avatar from one single photo. To get started, go to HeyGen and create an account. Once you land on the HeyGen homepage, click Get Started for free. You can sign up with your email or log in with your Google account. Once inside, you'll be asked a few quick onboarding questions, such as what you want to create, what your role is, and which option best describes you as a creator. Simply answer them and click Continue. After that, you'll land on the pricing page. HeyGen offers 3 plans, one of which is completely free. As a beginner, the free plan is absolutely enough to get started. Right now, it includes up to 3 videos per month, each up to 3 minutes long in 720p resolution. Once that's done, your free account is ready and you can start creating your first avatar videos. Once you land on the HeyGen homepage, you'll see a navigation panel on the left. Click on Avatars. Here you have 2 options. You can create a clone of a real person, which requires video footage, or you can create a virtual avatar from an image. Today, we're focusing on the second option. Click Upload Photo. A pop-up window will open where you can upload either real photos or cartoon-style images. HeyGen also shows you photo guidelines, including examples of what works well. Ideally, use a mix of close-up and full-body shots from different angles. Avoid low-resolution images, heavy filters, or group photos. Select at least one image, then click Upload and Continue. Next, HeyGen will ask you to name your avatar. I'm calling mine La Pelirroja, then choose the age, gender, and ethnicity. In my case, I'm selecting young adult, woman, and white. Once that's done, click Continue. Now it's time to choose a voice. You can clone your own voice, import one from a platform like 11 Labs, or pick one from the HeyGen library. Today, we're keeping it simple and choosing a voice from the library. You can filter the voices by gender, age, and other criteria. I'm looking for a female young adult voice, and I've already chosen one. Pepi Stella, I'll select it and click Select Voice. And that's it. The avatar is now created and ready to use. In the next step, we can move on to video generation. We've created an avatar from one photo, but it doesn't have to be limited to just one look. You can actually add multiple looks to the same avatar. That means one avatar can appear in different outfits or styles depending on the images you upload. Let me show you. Here is another look for the same avatar, La Pelirroja. I selected a new image and uploaded it to the existing avatar. Right now, HeyGen is validating the image to make sure it follows the platform's community guidelines. Once that's done, La Pelirroja will have 2 different looks and will be able to create videos using either of them. Now let's move on. To create a video with your avatar, click on one of the images. A small pop-up window will open, giving you the option to use that image in a video. You could edit the look here, but we're going to skip that for now and go straight to the editing studio. Once the editing studio opens, let me give you a quick walkthrough of the key features. One of the most important settings is the format. For mobile devices, vertical is usually the best choice, although you can also switch to horizontal. For this tutorial, we're staying with vertical. On the left-hand side, you'll see the script panel. This is where you type the text you want your avatar to speak. You can also add poses by clicking on the small icon, and you can choose a delivery style. I'm selecting Auto Enhance, which lets the AI automatically adjust the emotions, pacing, and delivery based on the script. That covers the main features on the left. Now, let's take a look at the panel on the right-hand side. I'm going to show you the main features only because some of the other options are more advanced and not necessary for this tutorial. First, in the avatar section, you can see that La Pelirroja is already selected. Since we've only created one avatar so far, we only have one option. But if you had created more avatars, you could switch between them here. Next is the voice section. The voice was already selected when we created the avatar. You can change it later in the voice design studio, but we're not doing that today. You can also adjust things like accent, speed, and volume. I'll leave the speed at 1 and the volume at 100. Below that, you'll find the motion engine. On the free plan, only the basic avatar free engine is available, so we'll keep that setting as it is. You can also edit the background. Once you click on the image, additional editing options appear. Here you can remove the background or restore it again. For this tutorial, we'll keep the original background. These are the key basic functions to set up an avatar video for generation. And now we're ready to generate the video. Click Generate on the right. HeyGen will ask you to name the video. I'll call it First Avatar version 1. We'll keep the default save settings. On the free plan, you can export in 720p resolution only. Premium features are marked with a diamond icon, and the HeyGen watermark cannot be removed unless you upgrade to a paid plan. Once everything is ready, click Submit and wait for the video to generate. So that's it. Our avatar is created, configured, and ready to go. The generation will take a few moments. HeyGen will send you a notification once the video is created. Now let's watch our first test avatar in action.
Hey, I'm La Pelirroja. I was created from just one photo. Crazy, right? That's how fast AI avatars work. Like, share, and follow for more AI magic.